we have termites, and I made this little concoction out of sawdust and boric acid. And I'm talking right in front of them, and they don't even know that they're eating poison. So that's really good. It really sucks that we're dealing with termites here. Oh, wait, some of them stop. Maybe they can hear what I'm saying. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I believe they're subterranean. So there's a visible difference after 2 days of the termites eating the sawdust that I mixed with boric acid. I used probably about 5 cups of sawdust. It was in the bag behind my saw, and I mixed that with the boric acid, powdered boric acid, and then I also sprayed it with a solution of boric acid and water that I mixed together. I just sprayed it over the top and made it wet. This is the boric acid I use. I got it at Walmart. It's called Roach Away. It's 99% boric acid. It was like a little less than $4 at Walmart.